Think you know how to use time expressions in Spanish? Trust me, they're way trickier than you think. But you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to dive into 4 essential time expressions that you may well be getting wrong, because, well, they're completely different from the English.
¿Listos?
I think I've just found the most useful Spanish time expression.
Ay, ya estamos grabando.
Oh yeah. We'll get back to that in a minute. But first, we need to talk about GERUND, because it's used a lot to talk about time. And I mean a lot. So we're going to show you 3 sentences, and you have to try to work out how it's being used.
Ahí les van las oraciones. Número 1. Llevo 15 años trabajando aquí. Número 2. Llevamos mucho tiempo viviendo en México. Número 3. Lleva 1 año estudiando en esta universidad.
So, as you can see, the structure is GERUND plus period of time plus gerund, which is a verb ending in ando or yendo. But when exactly do we use it? Here are 3 explanations, and you need to decide which one best explains this structure. Number 1, to talk about what someone's doing right now. Number 2, to talk about how long someone's been doing something. And number 3, to talk about how many tacos you ate last night. You've got 5 seconds, guys. And yeah, the answer is number 2. So we use GERUND plus period of time plus gerund to talk about how long someone's been doing something.
Y para practicar, ¿por qué no nos cuentan cuánto tiempo llevan aprendiendo español en los comentarios aquí abajo?
Great idea. And you can also use desde hace to say the exact same thing. So you can also say,
Trabajo aquí desde hace 15 años. Vivo en México desde hace mucho tiempo. Estudio en esta universidad desde hace 1 año.
So this time we need a present tense verb, then desde hace, and finally the period of time. I really want to tell them about this structure I found. Guys, it's going to make you sound so much more native.
Sí, ahorita nos dices, pero primero vamos a hablar de hace cuánto.
And I can tell them about the structure afterwards?
Sí, por supuesto. Pero primero vamos a ver cómo se usa hace cuánto.
Okay, guys, it's test time again. And this time you need to match the Spanish sentences to their translations. You've got 10 seconds. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time.
Y las oraciones son: ¿hace cuánto que no comes carne? ¿Hace cuánto que no vas a Puebla? ¿Hace cuánto que no ves a Pablo?
Right, here are the answers. And as you can see, the structure is hace cuánto que no, plus verb in present tense. Its English equivalent is something like, how long has it been since, plus verb in past tense. Just watch out for the tense here, because we obviously use the past in English and the present in Spanish. Oh, and you can actually flip these on their heads to create one of my very fave Spanish structures.
Y de hecho, ni siquiera hay que voltearlas, solo hay que volverlas afirmaciones. Así que podemos decir: hace mucho que no como carne. Hace rato que no voy a Puebla. Hace un buen que no veo a Pablo.
So this is just a really natural way of saying that you haven't done something for a long time. The structure is hace plus period of time plus que no plus verb in present tense. Now, the period of time will normally be indefinite, like mucho, rato, or un buen de. And it's just like saying, I haven't done X thing for ages.
Y si quieres sonar muy mexicano, solo tienes que reemplazar hace con tiene.
Huh? That's definitely not in my textbook. Anyway, guys, we've put all the time expressions from today's video, and a couple of other ones, in a free PDF that you can snag down below. Oh, and you'll also be signed up to our Mexican Spanish newsletter, which is really going to help supercharge your Mexican Spanish. Now can I tell them about the cool structure I found?
Adelante.
So it's what I like to call the trophy cabinet structure. And it's really different from its English equivalent. Let's have a quick look at some examples.
Mis tíos tienen 40 años de casados. Mi amigo tiene 3 años de jubilado. Tiene 5 años ya de soltero.
Okay, we're going to give you 10 seconds to think about how you translate these to English. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. And yeah, the English equivalents are very different. So what's going on here? You can think about it like this. So in English, we talk about how long we've been married, retired, etc. Whereas in Spanish, they often use have or tener instead, as if each year were a trophy sitting in a display cabinet. So the structure is tener plus number of years plus de plus adjective. But be careful. You can't use this structure for everything. It's exclusively reserved for ongoing life situations, like being married, retired, single, etc. Oh, I love a bit of grammar, I do.
Sí, es un mero mole. Y bueno, tienen mucha suerte porque ya llegamos a la prueba final. Y esta vez, Rupert también la va a hacer. A ver si le puedes ganar.
Right, guys, as Erika just told you, I'm going to be taking the test too. Let's see if you can beat me.
Y primero, tienen que traducir esta oración al español usando una de las estructuras que aprendimos hoy. Y la oración es: I have studied grammar for ages. Tienen 10 segundos.
So I think the answer is, hace mucho que no estudio gramática. Which isn't the case for me, by the way. Am I right?
Sí, muy bien. Pero ahora tienen que cambiar esta oración con desde hace a una oración con llevar. Y la oración es: trabajo aquí desde hace 5 años. Tienen 10 segundos.
Okay, so this time the answer is, llevo 5 años trabajando aquí. Am I right?
Sí, muy bien. Y finalmente, ya solo nos tienen que decir cuántos años tienes de casado o soltero dependiendo de tu estado civil.
Pues yo tengo 8 años de casado con mi chihuahua.
Muy bien, 3 de 3. Y muy bien a ti si le atinaste también. Pues ya hace falta un descanso, ¿verdad?
A break? There's no time for a break if you're serious about leveling up your Spanish. And actually, the next video is on that hace falta structure that Erika just used. It's obligatory learning if you want to sound more native.
Muy cierto. Nos vemos ahí.